YouTube, it's your girl Chai Chili and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be doing a review and install of BeautyForever's hair, so let's get straight into it. This is the unboxing of the hair. It comes with the wig, as you can see here. It also came with a satin scarf as well as a wig cap. So this is the hair. It is in the color 99J, and here I'll just show you guys the closure. It is a 4x4 closure, and then when you flip it inside out, this is the interior of the wig. You can see right here they have kind of like a cloth lace for the closure, so that really helps to make it look as natural as possible. So right here I'm just gonna do a quick overview of how I customize my wig. Again, this is not going to be super detailed because I have numerous of videos on how I achieve this. But right here, I'm gonna go straight into plucking the closure. So I'm gonna zoom in really close so you guys can see the method that I do when I pluck. It is fast forward, but I take my time, you guys. I really like to go for the knots. So when I'm plucking, as you can see, if you go and if you focus on getting the knot of the hair follicle, it will make it look so much more natural than if you just kind of pluck frivolously. So again, I'm taking my time, really focusing and being careful, because right here I thought I had made a hole, but I didn't. So I'm just taking my time again and plucking and getting all of those knots out. So once you're done with the middle of your closure, you're gonna wanna do the front edges. So again, I won't show details, but you'll basically follow this same method of plucking all of the knots on the right and the left side of the wig. Here again, I kind of just fast forwarded it and I went ahead and flat ironed the wig. It did kind of have a little body wave, body bounce to it, so I wanted to get it as straight as I possibly could. So now that the wig is completely customized and ready, I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my hair underneath so that I can apply the wig. So I finished flat ironing the wig. I was gonna go ahead and cut it into a bob. Based on the layers, I just feel like if this hair needs to be a bob. But before I cut it, I wanted to show you guys the length just in case you do not want to cut this hair into a bob and you want to see how it looks like with the 16 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I would say it comes to a little below bra strap length, and I am 5'8", so that's how long the hair is if you do not plan on cutting it. I'll stand up in the front so you guys can see. It comes to about right here to my chest. Again, if this was a little fuller, maybe, but it's not that full. And I really want this hair to be nice and thick. So I think if I cut it, it'll look better. Okay, so I went ahead and started cutting the right side, but I decided I'll come back and I'll kind of show you guys the process. So really and truly, I usually cut it on the mannequin. So I'll just go ahead and cut a big chunk that I know is not too close. Yo, that's really good for just eyeballing it. Okay, so this is the bob finished cut. Again, it was super rough. I kind of just eyeballed it. I probably will go back and touch up the ends, but for now I think it's okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some got2b glue on my closure, lay down my baby hairs, and then we will be all done with this look. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, so I think I am finished. I went ahead, as I said, I just added a little curl just to add a little bit more volume. So just to go over some more details of the hair, this is their T-part lace wig. The density is 150%. And it is in 16 inches. So I did receive this wig off of Amazon, and honestly, for an Amazon unit, I really think that this unit is bomb. So I'm really not new to ordering wigs off of Amazon. I literally have been ordering all types of things from Amazon literally for years and years. So wigs is definitely one of the things that I am fond of. And honestly, I feel like people be sleeping on Amazon wigs because this unit is so soft. The color is super vibrant, it's thick, and it's versatile. And I just love the way the red light kind of makes my skin pop. So I would say for the cost of this unit did come out to be $112. And I think honestly for the price and the quality, the wig is definitely worth this, sis. Don't think about it, buy it. So you guys, that rounds up this video. If you liked it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. If you're interested in this unit, I will leave all of the details down below. Make sure to subscribe before you leave so you can join the crew. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Peace, love, blessings.